Gerardi Company was set up in 1971 by Ivano Gerardi Sr., with a background of 20 years metalworking experience throughout Canada and the USA. Today, the Italian headquarters is located close to the international airport of Milan. The company became the largest Italian vise manufacturer and one of the leaders in the European common market, and the quality of its products got worldwide renown. In the same period, Gerardi SPA launched a wide range of angle heads for the modern CNC machining centres and driven tools for CNC lathes. Early in the 90s, new grinding technologies have been developed in order to improve process efficiency and product quality. In 1992, the company established a joint venture in China for the manufacturing of parts and types of vises, together with Avic, the aviation industry of China. After the setup of a US subsidiary company near Chicago, a new German branch has been established in Germany in 2007 in order to better penetrate and service the local markets. Gerardi built a new manufacturing plant in Lonate Pozzolo to increase the angle heads, driven tools and tombstones production, and a new company in India for the manufacturing of fixtures for the Indian market. The Gerardi SPA company staff now numbers over 200 employees, with an average age of under 40. In the company, all the top roles and manager positions were acquired through internal training and experience. Total export is today more than 70% of our production in more than 60 countries around the world, and about 10% of total turnover is invested in advanced technological research for designing and manufacturing new products. The overall investment of the company exceeds 20 million euros. Our goal is to supply innovative fixture solutions for safe, quick and accurate clamping, able to increase workshops' productivity and efficiency with an unbeatable price-to-quality ratio. The most advanced CAD-CAM system for product designing and manufacturing. Huge investments in automation and production capacity. Our production is divided into two macro families: workholding for positioning and clamping of workpieces to be machined, and tooling, which includes right angle heads, driven tools and speeders. Extreme rigidity and versatility are the key factors of success of the Gerardi modular workholding system. 10 different families of precision machine vises designed to cover all workshops' workholding needs. Precision modular vise of standard and standard flex series, the first to be designed, are nowadays the most popular and also copied in the world. The most versatile for multi-clamping of different workpieces of various sizes. Zero-point system developed for immediate positioning and clamping with the most accurate repeatability within 5 microns. Integral cast iron cast structures with all kinds of shapes, sizes and finishings. Compact, rigid and accurate. The new self-centering vise for 5-axis CNC machines, and not only. Ideal for aerospace, automotive or other high-precision applications. Gerardi supplies high-performance angle heads for modern machine centres and conventional machines, and driven tools for CNC lathes. These fixtures allow milling, drilling and tapping, and have become internationally appreciated for their high quality and reliability. The whole range of tooling products is entirely designed and manufactured in Italy. A wide range of angle heads with a compact design to allow the highest performances, and with integral shank and shaft to ensure the maximum rigidity. A new family of angle heads with interchangeable drive taper to allow an evolution angle head to be used on other machining centres with different spindle types and sizes. More than 1,000 driven tools for equipping the lathes and the driven turrets by world-leading manufacturers such as Biglia, BMT, DMG Mori, Goodway, Haas, Mazak, Miyano, Nakamura, Okuma, Tsugami, and VDI DIN 69880. 3 Italian plants of almost 20,000 square meters. The 2 new plants host a new automatic FMS system with 50 pallet and 3 machining centers installed in order to double the company's production capacity. A brand new plant of total 10,000 square meters committed to the manufacturing of standard and most advanced products too. The distribution of our products is dealt by an extensive and capillary network of specialized wholesalers and agents committed to selling our products all over the world. Gerardi always ensure the highest quality products thanks to qualified staff and the most accurate and modern measuring machines. Gerardi has accorded particular importance on marketing with the steady updating of the main catalogues, the website and socials, and taking part in the most important manufacturing trade fairs. We often set up quarterly workshops and stages in our showroom for the training and updating of our sales agents.